welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. So today I have an exciting video. I have not done a product review in a minute, and also I have not tried this brand before. I did try like the concealer of Nars, but never a foundation. I did want to try like the luminous one before, but I just couldn't find a direct match at the moment, so I just skipped out on it. But I've heard so many great things about this foundation, but I always heard like so many great things about Nars foundation, so I'm so excited to try it. So anyways, yeah, I'm super late as well. Like, this been out since the last year, and yeah, your girl's late, but we here. Better late than never. Okay, is the new Nars Soft Matte Foundation, and yeah, this is in the color Macao, and I seen like everybody is the shade Macao, but like honestly, Macao was the only one that looked like it'll work, so I'm hoping it'll work. But yeah, medium deep 4. It's a complete foundation. It's 1.5 fluid ounces. I'm just gonna read the claims for you guys. It has 34 shades. It claims to be full coverage, a matte finish, is good for acne and blemishes, long wearing, it's a liquid formula, of course, it's transfer proof, oxidation resistant, and the foundation lasts to up to 16 hours. I love looking online when a product has, like, I'm going to try to put it on the screen for you guys. Like, it'll show you on a model what it looks like. But sometimes it could be hard to try to go by that. So, let's see. So, yeah, my face is already moisturized and all that goodness. Now, I'm going to go in like, y'all know, if y'all seen my product reviews, y'all know I like to use a beauty blender on one side and a brush on the other, just to show you guys the difference. I do currently use just a brush on my face all over, but just for you guys, y'all know I got you to test out the different tools you can use for your foundation. I'm gonna start off by using the e.l.f. Matte and Poreless Primer. This is my primer. I love this primer. I always wanted to try Nars foundation. Not even gonna lie. And this is way cheaper. Not way cheaper. It's like $10 difference than the other foundation. I just love the packaging. Plastic. Hello. If you drop it, it's not gonna shatter. It's not glass. Let's see. I do like to show you guys on my hand how runny and stuff. Okay, it squeezes out very fast, so be careful with that. So yeah, let me just start off by putting this. Oh, okay, I'm not mad at this shade. This shade is looking real nice. Wow, look at this. So I just like to smear it on my face first, and y'all, the coverage already, like. So I'm just taking this beauty sponge. It is a little, looking a little orange, but I'm just gonna go in with a lighter concealer to balance it out. Wow, this looks beautiful. Just from first impressions, like, what? I am gonna have to maybe like mix. This is definitely a summer shade, but right now, I don't know if you guys could see. Like, it does look like it's a good match, but let's see. Let's see. No foundation. Foundation. Just take some more. This finish is insane. My eyebrows do need to be done, so don't mind it. It looks so buttery and so smooth. Like, that was really smooth to put on just now. I like to spread out my foundation first. I would typically put it on like a little concealer brush, but just for this video, I just want to show you guys how it's performing. Now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques cheek brush. Y'all know this is what I use to put on my foundation. With that beauty blender, it just really like glided on. Wow, I'm getting foundation in my hair. Sis. So on the camera, it's looking a little orange. Not even gonna hold you. So off bat, just from like looking at this foundation, it's so buttery. It's so easy to apply. Like, it was a little, well, I have normal to dry skin. So for me, this foundation glided right on with no problems. And look how much like it covered. I have nothing else on. And it covered so much. Like, sorry, I'm just looking in the mirror. It covered so much, so fast. It took like little to no effort in blending. So I'm gonna just finish up the rest of my face and then we'll be right back. Alright, now I'm just do my eyeshadow. I'm just going to do a little cute nude eye. I'm just priming my eyes first. And I'm just setting it with some translucent powder so it doesn't be oily. Just going out with my Juvia's palette. And using this light brown for my transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with that brown next to it to deepen up that crease. And I'm going to place this on lightly because this is so pigmented. And I'm going to go back in with that concealer brush. Well, that I prime my eyes with. And just put some concealer back on to my lid. Then I'm going to take this white shade at the bottom and place that all over my lid. This is a very fast look. Like, this takes little to no effort, this eye look, to do. Now I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade and place it over that white. That white just helps it pop more. Now I'm going to go back in with that light brown and just blend everything and blend it into the outer crease. And blend over. This is like a soft glam, so you want to take that brown and blend it back into the crease. And on the outer corners. Alright, I just put one liner, mascara. This is how I'm looking. And I just pressed in that powder that I had underneath. So I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit more. I'm also going to put some blush on. This is orange blush. She is looking good. This foundation. After all that foundation and powder, I like to take my Morphe setting mist. Push all that in. Yes. Come through. I love how this foundation is making this highlighter melt into my skin. I'm going to set my face with the Hard Candy Longwear Setting Spray. Just to give some extra long wear. And that is the final look. I love how this foundation is looking. Like, look at that. Let me try to zoom in. Looking in so far, this is not, you would think soft matte, you would think it's like a super matte. My face does not look super matte at all. It looks nice and it kind of looks a little satin to me. Like, it doesn't really look like it's crazy matte. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey. Y'all know I do not like cakey foundation. And yeah, it's looking so beautiful. Like, wow. So far, like, it's not looking drying or matte to me. It's just looking like really healthy. I don't know if it's because of me putting on all that setting spray or whatever, but it doesn't look drying. Like, it's not patchy or anything. So yeah, right now it is 2:45 p.m. I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna put a mask on so you guys can see if it's transfer proof. I'm gonna be doing a lot right now. I have a lot to do. So yeah, this is how we looking right now. And I'll be back. I'm gonna try to at least have this on for at least 5 hours minimum. Okay, be back in a little bit. Hey my love, so it's 5 hours later, and yeah, I have on a different hoodie. I have on different clothes. I don't think it's the next day, but yeah, I was about to wind down. It's been 5 hours, and I just wanted to show you guys how my face is looking. Like, it still looks flawless. Like, I'm so impressed. The only con, oh, where's my mask? My mask is right here. So this is not bad. I usually would have it on the sides, like everywhere. In the middle right here, it is my lip gloss. So don't pay attention to right here. And it's only so much right here because I had it like this and I was talking, so like it was rubbing against my chin. But other than that, this is not bad. This is because it was rubbing against my chin, and that's lip gloss. So, still not bad. Okay, the shade, it was looking real good. And I knew this is probably my summer shade when I got outside. Good thing I wasn't really going anywhere important. Because, I don't know if you could tell. I'm pretty sure it's looking orange. I'm looking Oompa Loompa, okay? So I definitely have to put a lighter shade with this foundation if I want to wear it. I can't wear it on its own unless it's the summertime. But other than that, it's still looking fresh. Highlights still there. Everything is still on. Honestly, it looks like I just put it on. I had a mask on, and I don't see like anything rubbed off. Maybe just my highlight on my nose, but that happens. But yeah, the face is sitting. Okay, I can see it. If you guys can see, now I'm in a different lighting, so you can see. Like, this is way too orange, so I have to mix it with my lighter foundation. Because no way. Don't walk outside like that. Like, your foundation is supposed to be a little darker, but not that dark, okay? I definitely have to mix it. But overall, I love this foundation. I will be wearing it. I wish I could find my like exact foundation in Nars, but my skin tone, that happens. I usually have to mix my foundations. Whatever, I'm used to it. So I had my mask on majority of the time today, and well, throughout those 5 hours, and my face still looks good, just the shade match. But yeah, so that concludes the ending of this review. If you guys would like me to review anything else, please let me know. You guys know I love reviews. Those are my thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.